Hi guys, need to share this video. Like after they paved first time, they had an issue with the paving for the handicapped people, or the parking area for the handicapped people. You know, like everywhere, here and there. So, you know, there's a code, should be like flats, like 10 foot back, flats, whatever. So they came back and repave everything and remark everything, the marking. So you can see here, same thing here. So they paved all the way to that curb. So in each parking lot, like first one, second one, third one. Yeah, and here they did handicap ramp with that concrete. You can see here that they have expansion joint all the way around. Expansion joint all the way around. You can see it. Expansion joint between existing concrete, new concrete. Expansion joint between concrete sidewalk and curb. You can see, and they did saw cut like each 10 foot. So, and you can see they tear out some sidewalk, some curb to adjust the level for the paving work. Everything should be sloped down. So same thing here, you can see expansion joint all the way around. That's a good thing. And here's the finish, like stone finish. Here you can see expansion joint everywhere between sidewalk and curb. And here you can see we have an area, water on hold. There's the issue with the slope, so maybe the slope for the curb and gutter is wrong, or the slope for the asphalt paving is wrong. You can see water on hold, water standing, supposed to run to catch basin. So here you can see they came back here and they did more paving here. So you can see over there water standing, water on hold. They did some asphalt patching, and here you can see they did like saw cut for asphalt, so that is ugly, not nice. And as I said, water on hold here, should be run to catch basin. And so here I'll show you, so here also you can see expansion joint all the way around, expansion joint. And here, they did saw cut, as I said, each 10 foot. But 10 foot is not enough, especially at the radius. So here you can see a lot of cracks. You can see crack, like each 4 foot or 5 foot crack. Another crack for curb and gutter. So should be like, especially at the radius, like each 5 foot, make it looks stronger. Okay. Here, handicap ramp. You can see TWS tactile warning system. And they didn't caulk all the expansion joint. They need to come back and caulk all the expansion joints. You can see expansion joint here and there, each 25 foot. No caulking. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. I'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.